Imagine getting paid every single month from your portfolio without selling your shares. That's the idea behind JPQ. Part 1. What is JPQ? JPQ is the JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Income ETF. Its main goal is monthly income, not maximum growth. It gives investors exposure to large Nasdaq companies while generating extra income using covered call options. This makes JPQ very different from traditional dividend ETFs. Part 2. Key characteristics. JPQ is an income-focused ETF that pays monthly dividends, offering a higher yield than most traditional ETFs. It employs a covered call strategy and is actively managed by JP Morgan, with an expense ratio of approximately 0.35% and a dividend yield around 10%. JPQ prioritizes steady cash flow over aggressive upside potential, making it an attractive option for investors seeking consistent income with lower risk. Part 3. Top holdings. JPQ holds many well-known Nasdaq names, including companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and Alphabet, giving investors exposure to some of the biggest tech leaders. However, the majority of its income comes from option premiums generated through its covered call strategy, rather than from traditional dividends. This approach allows the ETF to provide consistent monthly income while still participating in the potential growth of these top-tier stocks. Part 4. Performance. Since inception, JPQ has delivered an average return of around 16.57%. However, it is not designed to outperform the Nasdaq during strong bull markets. Instead, it focuses on reducing volatility, providing consistent income, and performing well during flat or sideways markets. While returns may lag behind during sharp market rallies, the ETF's income remains steady, making it an attractive choice for investors seeking reliable monthly cash flow with lower risk. Part 5. Why invest in JPQ? JPQ may be a suitable choice for investors seeking monthly cash flow, building a passive income stream, or prioritizing income over pure growth. It can also appeal to those who are reinvesting dividends and option premiums to compound wealth and want smoother portfolio swings compared to the broader Nasdaq. However, it's not ideal for investors whose primary goal is maximum long-term growth, as its covered call strategy can limit upside during strong market rallies. Part 6. Real-world example. Let's say you invest $100 weekly into JPQ for 30 years, and it continues to average around 16% annual returns, as it has since inception. Over time, your portfolio could grow to over $2.5 million, while also generating thousands in monthly income. Reinvesting those payments allows you to buy more shares each month, gradually increasing your income and letting compounding work in your favor. This is how JPQ can turn consistent cash flow into long-term growth momentum. If you enjoy ETF breakdowns like this, subscribe for more insights.